Hi, this is Steve from Roofer 911. I'm on a roof in Falls Church, Virginia, and I must say, in all my 47 years doing roofing, I have never seen such a poorly repaired roof. Now, in between all the rafters, and I mean all of them, the plywood is sagging, which means the plywood is rotten, and it also means he has leaks and very likely mold. The homeowner wanted a price for repairs, and I said, unfortunately, that just could not be done. The roof has to be replaced, and I'll show you why. I have to be very careful where I walk because my foot can go right through. He paid somebody to do some repairs, and all they did is just spread tar, and they nailed the new shingles on top of the old shingles, so the water's going underneath the roof shingles and it's leaking inside the home. The plywood here is rotten, and then the plywood over there is also rotten as well. You can see they nailed the step flash. In fact, they screwed the step flashing right through the chimney housing. So he has leaks. And a lot of them. Unfortunately, this homeowner is disabled, and he just doesn't have the money for any type of roofing repair or replacement. I'm going to take a long shot on this one. I really want to help him. Look here, you see all the black dots? That's hail damage. And he's got hail damage over here as well. And he also has it in the front. Let's see over here. I'm going to write up an estimate for a roof replacement, and I honestly don't know what the insurance company would do. You know, when they see hail damage, you know, this type of damage, they will definitely cover the new roof. But when they see all these poorly installed repairs, you know, they may not approve it. But like I said, I'm going to write up an estimate for a new roof, and I'm going to keep my fingers crossed that the proposal is accepted. Because like I said, I'd really like to help this gentleman. Again, this is Steve from Roofer 911. We specialize in roof repair and roof replacement in Falls Church and all areas of Northern Virginia. I can be reached at 703-475-2446, and our estimates are free.